Okay, Hightorians, welcome once again. We began with the common application. Yes, as we've already discussed about how to apply to schools in the US with you know with a common application on our WhatsApp platform. And I want to give you like a video that would guide you through the filling of the application. Okay, now the common application is widely used online platform that allows students to apply to multiple colleges and universities in the US. Okay, you just use a single form. Okay, you fill out the form and you select up to 20 schools and you apply to them with that single form that you'll fill. And the common app has these components that we would work with, and these components, they are very essential that you have to fill them keenly. You have to take your time to fill them very well, because out of these components or out of these questions in the form that you will fill will determine that you would be rejected or accepted. Although there are so many things that goes into into the application system. Okay, and we will make sure that all these components you understand them very well, and it will guide you. Okay, so if you are using your computer and you don't have the mobile app of the common application, you can just type common app. Okay, common app, login on your computer, then you can click on common app. So you wait for it to load. Okay, so I'm going to start all over as someone registering or creating an account with common app for the first time. Okay, so we will create an account, and you are a first year student. Yeah, so first year student means that since you graduated high school, or since you completed high school, you've not stepped foot in any college or any tertiary institution. So with that, you are a first year student. If you want to do the transfer student, then it means that you are transferring your credits from the school that you, or from the college or the university that you currently attend, to a different one. So you'd use the transfers to application one. Okay, so let's create a first year student account. So from here, you type in your email address and every information that you are going to type in here. Make sure that you keep them safe somewhere, because you'll be using them throughout your applications. Okay, so let's take I'm creating for this person. What's her name? Yeah, so I'm creating for. Mm, email address must match. Okay, yeah, I made a mistake. So from here, which best describes you? Now we are going to apply for 2025. Okay, fall 2025. And even if we have chance, we can also apply for summer 2025. So we have to select applying as a first year student and plan to start college in 2024 2025. Okay, if you are planning to start college in 2026 or whatever, you can choose which one you prefer. Okay, so it doesn't matter. If you understand that if you choose 2026, then it means you will attend school in 2026. So you click on applying as a first year student, okay, in 2025. then your personal information. So make sure that these information, are the exact ones you will use, or are the exact one you use on your credentials, your educational credentials, your passport. They must match. So I'm creating for Grace. So Grace, okay. Would you like to share a different first name? No. Date of birth. What is her date of birth? 1 second. So 22nd March 2006. March 22nd. So here your permanent home address is your home country, or where you permanently live, or when after you travel to the US for your educational purpose, when you come back, where you stay. So let's take she lives in Ghana. So you just continue to fill this part. Are you currently based in a European Union country, island, or whatever? No. Would you like to receive communications from? Yes. Please review. Yes. Create an account. So once you hit on create an account, this will be the interface. If you are using a laptop or a computer, this will be the interface for you. I don't know about yeah, it will be the same interface even if you are using a phone. Okay. Now, this is your dashboard, and this dashboard would show you if we add any school, if you add any school to your common application, it will appear on your dashboard. It will also appear on your My Colleges. Okay, it will appear here as well. Now you check your common application ID, which is this one. This is your common application ID, and this ID is, it has been given to you only alone, you only. So you only have this ID. Now let's go to common app right here, and this is where you're gonna fill, this is where all the forms are that you have to fill. So after filling this form, we would now add some colleges or some schools that we would apply. Then from there we apply right away. So from here, your profile, we have your name, your middle name. If you have any middle name, you will share that. You'll type that one here. Your family name is over there. If you have any suffix, you can choose from here. And do you have any materials under a formal legal name? Okay, so if you think that there are some names that some people do have some complications with their names on their educational material, sometimes the names do change or something like that. So if you have any name that you were using before and it appears on your educational materials, it appears on your transcript, it appears on your if it's WASI, if it appears on your WASI result, whatever, just type it. If you are not using that name anymore, you still have to type it here, but we don't. So you type no, you confirm your date of birth, you click on continue. Then from here you can still change your address. You have to change it. So, What's happening? Okay, this looks good. And if excuse me, if this looks or if this is the same as your mailing address, just in case that a school wants to, send you official admission letter and everything to your home, you would need your mailing address. Okay, the address that the school can send your whatever they want to send you. Okay, you have to provide that mailing address. So if it is the same, then you would say no alternate address, or send email to temporary alternate. So if there is any other address that you use as your mailing address, you click on this one, send mail to a temporary or alternate address, then you fill. But if it's no, you click on no, then you continue. Then this is your contact details. So your preferred phone is a mobile one, and if you have any alternate number you want to add, you just add here. So no other alternate, okay? Or let me see, I can add something. Mobile. Okay, from here you choose your gender, your legal sex, you choose your pronouns if you have, you add them. If you have any other pronouns which is not in these ones, yeah, and I don't know which one you are, but probably you might fall in between the three, so you choose. Then, are you in the US Army? If yes, or if you were once in the US Army, or if you are currently in the US Army, you would have to choose one of these options. But no, we are not. I don't know of you. If you are, you choose which applies to you. So then, are you Hispanic or Latino? No. Then with the race, we are she's a black or an African, so black or African American. Then married, she's an African. You click continue. Okay, then the number of languages you are proficient in. I would say she's proficient in, yeah, I know her, she's proficient in about 2 English. Speak, read, write, spoken at home. Then the second language is Akan, yeah. Then your geography or nationality, so that is your country, your birth country, the city, number of years you have lived in the United States. Actually, number of years you have lived in the US. If you've lived in the US before, you can choose the number of years you have. If not, you just select 0. Select your citizenship status, and that will be, you scroll down, citizen of a non-US country, list countries of citizenship. If you have more than 2, you can list the countries you have citizenship with. Okay. And you currently hold a valid US visa? No. Do you intend to apply for a new different visa? Yes. And what is the visa type that you intend to apply? So as a student, we have the F1 visa and we have the J1 visa, but we use the F1 visa for our application. Okay, so undergraduate, we're gonna use the F1. So you choose F1 student visa. Okay, so this session is very important, okay, because if you feel this part very well, it will give you access to apply to schools without you pay any application fee. You wouldn't pay any application fee if you do this part very well. So let's see. You are eligible for application fee waivers if you meet one or more of the following criteria. You are enrolled in or eligible to participate in a federal free whatever. You have received eligible or whatever SAT, or so if you've written the SAT or ACT and you had a fee waiver, yeah, you are eligible for a fee waiver. And with the first one, you are enrolled in or you're eligible to participate in a federal. So basically this session or these sessions, they most apply to citizens of the United States. But where we, the international students, we do come in is the last one, which is you can provide a supporting statement from a school official, college access counselor, financial aid officer, or community leader. This is where we international students, we do come in. So because of the last one, we're gonna choose yes. Do you meet one or more of the common app fee waiver eligibility criteria? Just click on yes. Then to sign, you type your name. Then would you okay, so Ustrive is a common app partner that connects you with free qualified mentors online. Ustrive mentors can help you apply to college, navigate the financial aid process, transition to college, get your degree, find a job after graduation. Would you like to connect? If you would like to connect to a Ustrive mentor, you can choose yes. Okay, if not, you just click no. Then we move. Now this session is the family. So you all pause here for now, then continue later with the family session. We take them one after the other, so you get time to feel each step into detail. So with our profile, if you have any question, you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp platform. Yes, or you can even type your question in the comment section or whatever. Okay. Thank you.